So I heard you needed tech news. So well, you are in luck. I'm here to deliver. So let's get started. तो अनदर रैंसमवेयर अटैक हैपेंड दिस टाइम ऑन Kaseya. Kaseya जो है ये एक रिमोट आईटी मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर की कंपनी है. एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ वेरी वेल रिकॉग्नाइज्ड कंपनी. सो उनको जो है उनके एक सिक्योरिटी पैच दे वर पुशिंग एन अपडेट. सो उस अपडेट में जो है वो रैंसमवेयर उन्होंने उस अपडेट में उन्होंने उस रैंसमवेयर को पुट करके दे हैव लाइक स्प्रेड इट लाइक अक्रॉस लाइक मल्टीपल थाउजेंड ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. सो अब जो है वो सारी जो मशीन है दे आर अंडर अ रैंसमवेयर अटैक. और जो हैकर्स हैं दैट ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड रीविल. तो वो $70 मिलियन का रैंसम जो है वो अमाउंट मांग रहे हैं फॉर लाइक फ्रीइंग ऑल दोज computers, and this is one of the biggest ransomware attacks that have ever happened. So most of us already know कि Intel जो है वो काफ़ी इस टाइम जो है बहुत लोअर पोजीशन में in terms of CPU market. और अपने एंड से Intel ने जो है 3 out of 4 CPUs जो है उन्होंने अपने निकाल दिए हैं अपनी लिस्ट से. They are not selling those now. Mostly these are from i3 to like i7. Even some of the Pentium processors are also there. So ये Intel का काफ़ी बड़ा स्टेप है कि उन्होंने मार्केट से अपने प्रोसेसर ही उन्होंने निकाल चुके हैं अपने मार्केट से. एंड दिस couldn't be like better news for AMD. So Audacity जो एक ओपन सोर्स टूल था, ओपन सोर्स एप्लीकेशन था फॉर लाइक ऑडियो फाइल्स एंड क्रिएटिंग ऑडियो. सो उसमें ऑलरेडी उनके नए ओनर की तरफ से प्राइवेसी कंसर्न्स काफ़ी सारे राइज हो रहे थे. एंड दे वर एक्चुअली सम प्राइवेसी कंसर्न्स दैट दे वर कलेक्टिंग डेटा, बट दे हैव अगेन लाइक रीवैम्प्ड द प्राइवेसी पॉलिसीज. एंड देयर न्यू पॉलिसी हैज सेड कि उनकी जो डाटा जो रूल्स हैं वो चेंज होंगे एंड दे विल मैनेज द डाटा मोर प्रोफेशनली. सो Jeff Bezos was already making billions of dollars and now he has stepped down from Amazon CEO post. So अब जो है they have appointed a new CEO, but Jeff Bezos is thinking more towards going towards Blue Origin because Blue Origin जो है mostly Jeff Bezos का सबसे बड़ा chief project है. And I am thinking that he is moving towards that goal more than Amazon because Amazon is already very well established. So we all were thinking कि Nintendo जो है अपना Switch Pro जल्दी ही निकालने वाला है. बट एक्चुअली इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन वेरी सून बिकॉज निंटेंडो ऑलरेडी अपना जो स्विच है उसको अपडेट कर चुका है. इट कम्स विद 720p OLED डिस्प्ले नाउ एंड दैट्स इट. देयर इज नथिंग एल्स दैट इज लाइक न्यू इन द स्विच अदर दैन इट इज़ लाइक हैविंग अ RJ45 जैक और Ethernet जैक एट द बैक ऑफ द डॉक. But else each and everything is the same. It will retail for $350 and this is basically because of the chip shortage. Because of the chip shortage, Nvidia is not able to produce like the GPU. So how can it produce a chip that is dedicated for Switch? So yeah, I think so that it has been delayed for 2022. So we have to see when it will come out to the market. So Donald Trump has sued Facebook, Twitter and YouTube because he's saying the election that happened was not genuine. And Twitter and Facebook and also YouTube, they played a crucial role for betraying him in the election. So he has sued all of those companies and as well as their CEOs, but I don't think so that it is mostly because of his election. I think so he was being banned from Facebook and Twitter, so that's the repercussions that he is coming out with. Another president news from US का जो current president है Joe Biden, he is drafting a bill for right to repair as well as net neutrality. That is going to be a really big deal because iFixit is running this campaign for like years. Also Louis Roseman, a big YouTuber, he was also like running for Apple for right to repair, and this is like going to change many things if it comes into the action. Finally, GPU pricing is coming down and most of the devices are really coming into the affordable realm. And Ukraine ने अभी बहुत बड़ा जो है एक गैंग बस्ट किया. Around 5,000 devices were busted, 500 GPUs, 50 CPUs and 3,800 PS4s were recovered. These all were used for mining purposes. Especially the PS4 is one of the like big concerns because it is having the same horsepower as the RX 5800. That is a really capable and great mining card. So I think so that they were using that PS4's horsepower for mining purposes too. So Apple ने अपना अभी app tracking feature जो है वो reveal किया था with the iOS 14.5 and this has like reduced app ads in iOS like drastically. And these all apps with like ads and everything, these all are coming to Android and Android is going to be get more flooded with apps in the coming time. So Pentagon ने recently अभी Microsoft को $10 billion का जो है contract दिया था for like their their cloud services, but now they have cancelled that deal and now they are shifting towards dividing that whole feature into two companies. So now Microsoft and Amazon, both of them will having half of the contract and both of them will be working for Pentagon. Talking about Microsoft ने अपना एक अभी recently उनकी एक बहुत बड़ी vulnerability find out हुई, that was called the print nightmare flaw. So Microsoft ने अपने end से जल्दी उसका patch जो है वो push किया, but that patch did nothing and it didn't even patch the vulnerability. So we are again looking forward to Microsoft to provide that patch ASAP. So Vivo का एक नया patent जो है वो सामने आया, that is a weird one because it comes as a no surprise that Vivo is doing this. So it is a pop-up thing, it comes out from the top of the device and it is a quadcopter that has camera and infrared sensors all around, so it can capture a selfie of yours like hovering in the mid of air. That is a really distant dream and I don't think so that it is coming in the near future. So Google has been sued by 36 US states and also Washington DC has sued them. So this is because of their antitrust law and they are saying that Google is taking 30% of the cut from the revenue, as they have said कि वो 15% लेंगे, but actually they are using 30% of the cut and they are getting sued for that, and Google is going to pay a huge amount of money. So Bixby got a really major update and Bixby is now less annoying. Even I don't know if anyone uses it. I have a S9 and I have rarely used, I don't think so I have used it. I have rarely hit the button and I have accidentally used it. So yeah, I'm not like familiar to Bixby and I don't know who else is using Bixby. So Twitter will finally now comply with the US government's rules that were implied that they have to like abide by the rules of government. They were saying that they cannot abide with the rules because they were too cruel, but actually they are really good and they should be complied, and if Twitter is gonna work in India they have to comply with the rules, and now they are saying that they will comply with the rules. So एक researcher ने iOS के Wi-Fi में एक bug find out किया that if the SSID or the Wi-Fi's name has a % sign in it, it can disable your Wi-Fi. So it is a really weird thing that Apple has such a like minor bug in their iOS. So Genish Impact का एक नया काफी major update आया in which it comes with a new region as well as new characters, और अब जो है आप almost anywhere you can cross save games on consoles, Windows, iOS and Android as well. So this is like really great that you can play any of the game that where you left it from any of the device. Another Snapdragon news, Snapdragon का 895 जो है it is like hoped that कि अब जो है A15 या जो आने वाला Exynos 2200 है उसके relative performance नहीं provide कर सकता because it is underpowered. If we see the leaks that are coming straight up from the leaks perspective, अगर हम देख सकते हैं, so Exynos and A15 are going to outperform the Snapdragon 895. So the 11-inch iPad Pro and the MacBook Air in 2022 will hopefully get a mini LED display, that is confirmed by a leak, and also the iPhone 14 series they will get a OLED display 120Hz only in the top tier Pro versions, but जो उनके जो बाकी versions हैं they will hopefully get it by 2022 and it will be a LTPO OLED display. This is because Samsung only makes the LTPO OLED displays and these are like in really huge demand. There is a huge demand in the market for the LTPO OLED displays that are 120Hz, but apparently there are no such vendors other than Samsung that are providing these displays. Lenovo ने अपने नए Windows tablet जो हैं वो इंडिया में रिलीज कर दिए. These are some of the detachable tablets that they have revealed. So ये जो है tablets 30,000 rupees से start होते हैं and they go upwards of 1,20,000 rupees. So ये जो पहला जो entry level laptop है for like laptop tablet for 30,000 rupees, it comes with a Celeron processor and the price shoot up like really high if you like really pump up and the prices go really high if you like change some of the specs, like a CPU if go for a i5 it is like north of 50,000 rupees. So it is really expensive and I don't know who is buying a Windows tablet anymore, especially when the Surface 2 in US is going for $410 only. It is not available in India and it sucks because it is a really great device and I really would like to own one. So Nokia ने अपना फर्स्ट G सीरीज का स्मार्टफोन जो है वो रिवील कर दिया, दैट इज देयर G20. सो ये फ़ोन जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट 13,000 रुपीज़ के लिए रिलीज़ हुआ है एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी 500 रुपीज़ ऑफ. द अमेजॉन इज़ गिविंग अ कूपन और समथिंग. सो 12,500 के लिए जो है रिटेल कर रहा है. इट कम्स विद अ Helio G35 दैट इज़ अ रियली मिडलिंग CPU बिकॉज इट कम्स विद ओनली द A53 कोर्स. सो ये जो है वो पावर एफिशिएंट प्रोसेसर है, इट इज़ नॉट अ परफॉर्मिंग प्रोसेसर. सो आई थिंक सो दैट इज द प्राइसिंग इज रियली हाई फॉर दैट अमाउंट ऑफ हॉर्स पावर दैट द डिवाइस पैक्स. Xiaomi ने अपने ऑफिशियल वीवो पोस्ट में मेंशन किया दैट दे आर गोइंग टू रिवील देयर न्यू टैबलेट लाइन. सो होपफुली दिस इज देयर Mi Pad 5 with a Snapdragon 870 that all we are hoping for, and also their Mi Mix 4 is also coming, and hopefully it is coming with a under display camera, and as well as it is will be releasing with a Snapdragon 888 Plus. So Sony is going to restock their PS5s on 12th of July. So if you want to buy, you can buy them on 12th of July, but they are going to like go in like snap, so you have to hurry. So there are rumors कि Pocophone F3 GT जो है जो Dimensity 1200 CPU के साथ आता है, that is going to reveal before August. So hopefully it is coming this month, and also the Note 2 that is going to reveal on July 22. That is also coming with this the Dimensity 1200 processor, and this is going to be interesting if they are priced competitively, and hopefully they are under like 30,000 and near to 25,000 rupees. They will be like a really great sell. So there were already rumors of Walmart रिलीजिंग एंड्रॉइड सेटअप बॉक्स एंड दे हैव रिवील्ड इट. सो ये जो है एक ऑलमोस्ट आपको स्मार्ट जैसे MI का स्मार्ट बॉक्स आता है, टीवी बॉक्स, इट इज सेम लाइक दैट, एंड इट कम्स विद अ 4K स्ट्रीमिंग बॉक्स फॉर लाइक $30 ओनली, बिकॉज $70 के लिए आपको Chromecast Ultra मिलता है दैट कम्स विद अ 4K सपोर्ट, बट दिस ऑल्सो हैज Dolby ऑडियो, सो इट इज रियली ग्रेट. फॉर $30 इट इज लाइक अ स्टील. सो Razer ने भी अपने Opus X जो है वो हेडफोन रिवील कर दिए. दे आर लाइक देयर चीपर हेडफोन्स, नॉइज कैंसिलिंग हेडफोन्स. So they will retail for $100 and they also come with noise cancelling features. But the biggest issue that I found with these that they do not have a 3.5mm jack. So they are completely wireless. So if your device does not have a like 3.5mm jack, I guess it is okay, and it comes with like 20 years playback for noise cancelling on and 30 or 40 hours if the noise cancelling is off. So GameSir ने एक नई phone grip जो है वो reveal किया that comes with a fan embedded. So if you are doing that long gaming session, so you can use that and also cool your phone down while you are playing the game. So AMD के एक नए GPU का leak जो है वो बाहर आया, and it comes with 128 compute units and 128 GB of HBM2E memory. That is one of the fastest memory that is available on the planet, and mostly the kind of specs that it packs, it is going to be like relatively a workstation GPU, not a gaming GPU or something. So yeah, it is going to be a workstation GPU rather than a gaming one, but I guess it can run Crysis. So Google ने अपने Chrome OS का भी एक update push किया था, and that broke many of the devices because it was not stable. It was a stable update, but actually it was not stable and it was breaking down computers. So Google has stopped rolling out that update, and hopefully the massacre is like turned off. So guys, that was it for this week's tech news. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, please make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.